crunchy and super delicious. Manchurian toast, an amazing recipe. Hope you would like it. A 1/4 cup bell peppers, capsicum. A 1/4 cup finely chopped carrots. A 1/4 cup finely chopped onion. A 1/4 cup finely chopped cabbage. 1 finely chopped green chillies. 1 teaspoon chopped garlic. A 1/2 teaspoon oregano. 1 teaspoon corn flour. 1 teaspoon plain flour. 1 teaspoon soya sauce. 1 teaspoon red hot chili sauce optional. 1 teaspoon tomato ketchup. 1 teaspoon green chili sauce optional. Salt to taste. Mix well. Apply butter. Spread mixture evenly. Sprinkle sesame seeds. Pat it. Link available in description. Set for 205 degrees C for 5 minutes. Crispy veg-filled toasted bread ready. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel. Serve with sweet chili sauce.